By the end of the video, we'll know about quick and effective 30-minute bodyweight workout for beginners. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we strive to make your fitness journey more enjoyable. Today, we have an exciting workout plan for you. In just 30 minutes, you can transform your body using bodyweight exercises. Our workout today involves cardio, strength building, and flexibility workouts that will leave you feeling energized and accomplished. The best part is that no equipment is required. First, let's warm up by doing some dynamic stretches for 5 minutes. This will prepare your muscles for the workout ahead. Next, we'll do a 10-minute cardio session involving high knees, jumping jacks, and burpees to get your heart racing. After that, we'll move on to a 15-minute strength training session involving squats, push-ups, and sit-ups. Finally, we'll end with a 5-minute flexibility session that includes stretching exercises such as cat-cow stretch and downward dog pose. Remember to start slow and listen to your body. If you need modifications or want a tougher workout, feel free to adjust it according to your fitness level. The most important thing is consistency and persistence towards your fitness goals. So what are you waiting for? Get ready and hit play on the video below for this quick and effective 30-minute bodyweight workout plan, designed for beginners like you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful workouts and tips. Thank you so much for tuning in today.